Kisamla puli ka North Eastern Hill University haka janmit arpo tari unai wing kila penlong ya gajing duwai ha Lakeside naga benta ki arput kisamla puli ba mensau accident kali haka janmit khanyo tari unai wing archar arpusan ki ba kentup ya samla dari tingen upo dukai bat ka samla Stephanie Shadap ya kani gajing lang duwai la penlong daga nehu su bat ka KSU nehu unit haka jing dan ringkat ke nehuta bat nehun sa Kisamla pulie ki no hikai bat kin dong tri jong kani ka school ba akle mi rinti banya shimbenta lang ha kani ka jinge dubai na ka benta kani kisamla ba mensaw ba kin yo abor bat yo no ya ka jingkon layalam ya ka jing dubai do samla wan bhabok phawa ba la yo jingkran na professor lakhon kuma ha ka bola pen paw ya ka jing sosi bajur ya ka ek bajia ha ka janmit khanyo tare Professor Lakhon Kuma ula dawai ka bor ba dei pet mekin pindo kam ya ka agency ba pinya ya ka kampahara hanehu
Looking at the gravity of the accident, it will take time. It will take time. At least I do see that 4 to 6 months, it will take time as far as recovery is concerned because such is the seriousness of the accident and we all have seen it. But then I think, it is important for all of us to revisit the security and safety of the campus that we thought all these years that it is the safest place for all of us. But then we realize that probably it is not the way we have perceived it for all these years because I have been here almost 30 years now from the time I was a student. That time there was no gate here, there was no fencing, nothing at all. Even then we don't hear this kind of grave accident. And simply because there are people who are behind the wheel, reckless, drinking and all sort of things that goes on, and you would be glad to know that this person who was driving didn't even have a driving license, and he used a car of somebody who was probably running a Xerox machine here in the arts block. Now the question comes, and I would pinpoint 4 points that really we all need to introspect and revisit. First, why there should be a camp of ranger security inside the campus? That is my first question. I don't know under what circumstances, because this person, he was not working here. He was working in Negrims. He came here because there is a camp. Now imagine, if there was no camp here, probably this accident would have not happened. Which means now we are raising serious question to the administration. I do believe that previously I've seen him here, he is around. Please ensure that this camp is shut down in 15-20 days because Nehu is not obliged. This is not the liability of Nehu to provide shelter to a camp where all sort of elements will come, they will drink, they will drive. You are not secure at all in your campus. I think university have to make sure that please revisit what arrangement, if possible I would say, you blacklist this agency. This kind of agency cannot provide security for anyone. Leave aside Nehu where a grave situation has happened and two of our students are serious treatment under ICU, which we really, every time I think about it, my heart cries for it.